Hello viewer, we are using the new designs, creating a structure there. We will explore the different options to click over it. So there we will have to explore using a design there. Now I will take another pen tool designs. So there we are. We will use the shape here to make it. So that's it.